Assalamualaikum friends. First we have to open a new pot, sheet metal, and click the use default templates and select a millimeter Newton second pot solid. Select a plane which you want to sketch. Initially we need to draw the closed sketch. In this video we are going to discuss about the types of forming created in a sheet metal. So I just created a base pot by using a closed sketch. Then give the dimensions based upon your requirement. Now we apply the planner successfully. You can apply the different color for the planner wall to better visualization while we applying the types of forming. Go to the model, and select a form. Inside the form we have to select a punch form option. So while we selecting the types of form, it will show the highlighted two green color handles. We have to drag and place it a reference edges to specify the location of the form. Now the punch form is successfully created. Likewise, you can apply the die form option. So go to the form and drop down the list, select a die form, and then you have to specify the type of form tool using and specify the location by dragging the green color handles and specify the reference edges, faces or planes based upon your requirement to give the location of the form tool. Then click OK. Now the die form is successfully applied. While we are applying the punch form, the sheet metal goes to downward direction. While we are applying the die form, the sheet metal goes to upper direction. Then we are going to discuss about the sketch to form. Select a face of the sheet metal where we want to make a sketch form and specify the profile of forming. I just select a line and then draw the closed structure, closed sketches. Then click OK. Now the sketched region is get formed. You can specify the amount of depth to be created on the sheet metal or forming area of the sheet metal. You can also specify the radius to be produced on the forming area. You have to make the round sharp edges. Then click OK. Now the sketched form is successfully generated. Then we are going to discuss about how to flatten all this form which we created in the sheet metal. Go to the form option and select a flatten form. Now our all types of form in the sheet metal is get flattened. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.